University received a gold trophy for winning a physical activity challenge July 9th. UT System and UTPA's Health and Wellness program challenged faculty and staff to get active from May 1st to June 12th. The goal was to log 150 minutes of physical activity each week. Each participating faculty and staff member had their logs of activity collected each week and at the end of the challenge. All hours of activity from each participant was tallied together for a total for each university.
Part of that, we have UT System here, and we were awarded the Living Well Challenge. We won as a university, so they actually provided the award to the university today as well during the benefits fair. It means a lot for our university community because it shows the importance we're all placing on our health, and that actually the interventions we can take through exercise and diet will actually have a positive impact on our life, our livelihood. And it's exciting because we haven't had the level of participation before. And so to not only have the level of increase of participation internally, but then to also have it system-wide is pretty cool. So I think that makes a very strong statement that, yes, we may have that label of one of the fattest cities or regions in the area, but it shows we're taking positive, proactive action to counter that.
In an effort to encourage participation, the Dean of Students, Mari Fuentes Martin, used money in an employee fitness fund to provide free access to UTPA's Health and Fitness Center for faculty and staff for a 2-month period. Every year, the Dean of Students receives funding specially for employee fitness. The same funding is now being used to fund a Weight Watchers program for the faculty and staff. The information learned from the fitness challenge is now being applied to students in the Dean of Students office.
Well, I think it's an important lesson that we need to pass down to students because, when we think of students, they're in the process where they're going to determine their habits for life. And so I think it needs to go, and we need to really focus on student health. 21% of Latinos have diabetes and obesity issues in the nation. And so when you live in an area that's predominantly Hispanic, I think that's just emphasized. So if we don't teach health and wellness, exercise and nutrition to young people, then it's going to make the rest of their lives harder to learn and incorporate that.
For more videos on news on campus and in the RGV, subscribe to the Pan American's YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. For the Pan American, I'm Anthony Michael.